Welcome everybody, welcome to my channel, The Financial Trader's Mindset. In this video, my wife is gonna walk behind me. Welcome to my channel, The Financial Trader's Mindset. In this video, I'll go over Ethereum price action, the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, to see if Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin in price strength. This means people are rotating out of Bitcoin into Ethereum, into riskier assets, trying to catch some alpha and profits, right? Since 2022, we've been trending down. Finally, we're seeing a reversal. Not many people are talking about this. A lot of people are bearish on Ethereum, saying it's going to do nothing, and everybody's piled in on Solana. I like Solana too, but I think this is a bigger opportunity. When Bitcoin had its ETF launch, it had its initial run, and it chopped around for months. Same with Ethereum. Big spike, tried to break new all-time highs and chopped the rest of the year. I think Solana will suffer the same fate. Everyone is all in on Solana. If you're still a Solana bull and you're thinking this is fake news, look at this chart. Solana versus Ethereum. Shows more people are buying Ethereum over Solana. It's not going to go to zero. I don't think it's going to go to zero, but it'll take time. This is great for concentrated liquidity providers. You can provide liquidity, tight ranges, farm those yields, and wait for the market to rebound. As institutions start allocating, they're going to hedge with futures, finding ways to short against their positions while they accumulate and prevent too much buying pressure. They don't want too much buying pressure because that means they buy higher. They want to accumulate it at as low of a price possible. The retail FOMO to create the alt season hasn't come yet. We had that bombshell in 2022 when FTX went to shit. Voyager, Celsius, all those went to zero. It was like a nuclear Armageddon in crypto in 2022. A lot of people don't want anything to do with it. You mentioned crypto, people laugh. I mentioned it last night at the bar. They were like, crypto, no, that's a scam. So I'm like, oh, perfect. We're not at the top yet. Going back to Ethereum. I think this is primed for a run. Bitcoin hit all-time highs, over 123,000. I think it needs a little cooling off. Let's go to the Bitcoin dominance chart and see if there's any sign. There is a sign, but it could be a fake out. This is a weekly chart. This one was during the election when Trump got elected. Dominance fell and we saw an altcoin rally, like a mini altcoin season. I thought this was it, but it wasn't. Could this be another fake out? Possibly. I kind of hope so. Bitcoin keeps running maybe 200, 300K plus. Then we get a massive alt season, blow everyone away. Either way, maybe we get some relief into altcoins, get a run to catch up. I've been long Ethereum for a while. My last buy was around 1,400 during this drop. Everyone was talking about zero. I was buying more. I'm a little leveraged up and I haven't sold any yet. Last week, I sold some Bitcoin and bought some Ethereum around 2,900. As far as technical analysis, I think we shouldn't worry until we break these highs, this $4,000 high. It could chop around here, but it's looking good. Should you buy Ethereum? Does it feel like you missed the boat? I don't think so. This week shows price strength and confirmation. Let me go to daily. It's just showing strength in this market. The dips were getting bought. When nobody was buying around 1,800, I was leveraging up. So I put on some leverage. It's working out well. Even at 2,500, dips are clearly getting bought up. It's showing interest, and probably institutions have had their fill of Bitcoin. Now they're rotating into Ethereum. What I'm thinking is they're going to accumulate these crypto assets and then promote it to the masses, creating a wind in our sails that blasts the price up as retail FOMO comes in. Now for the negatives in the short term, I think we're a little overextended. This is a hell of a move, right? You can see from those tariff lows, we ripped to an all-time highs. Nobody saw this coming. It's absolutely insane. But I'm starting to see signs of weakness in the market. We're showing momentum on the MACD, starting to curl down, fading since May. It's like a race car running out of gas, choking, slowing down, and we need a break. Starting to see some cracks here. We broke a new high, but it was quickly rejected. More sellers, not a lot of buyers up here. Everyone's already in. I'm not saying there's gonna be a crash. We just had a crash. It doesn't mean we cannot correct. So what is that, 5%? That brings us up to 6K, which isn't bad. It's a small correction, but warranted. I suggest buying a little and save some dry powder for a dip. That way, if it dips, you're not in too much pain. And if it goes higher, you at least have some and you're not feeling the FOMO and buy the exact top. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.